Welcome to the ACA IELTS series. Today we'll explore expert tips, break down strategies for success, and provide real examples to help you navigate this section effectively. Plus, we'll tackle different question types and even simulate real recordings for practice. Stay till the end, as we'll also share some bonus tips to boost your listening score. Overview of the listening test. The listening test consists of 4 sections. Conversation in a social context, example, a dialogue about booking an appointment. Monologue about everyday situations, example, a lecture about public services. Group discussion in an academic setting, example, students discussing a project. Academic lecture or speech, example, a professor explaining a scientific topic. Each section becomes progressively harder. Now, let's move on to the strategies to tackle these effectively. 1. Preview the questions before listening. Take a few seconds to glance over the questions during the gaps provided. This helps you anticipate what information to focus on. For instance, if a question asks for a date, tune in to hear numerical details. 2. Learn to predict information. Questions often give clues. For example, if the question asks, "What time is the lecture?" you know to listen for a specific time-related word. 3. Be wary of distractors. Sometimes, the speaker changes their mind or corrects themselves. Listen carefully until they finalize the answer. 4. Focus on synonyms and paraphrasing. IELTS rarely uses the exact same wording as in the question. Train yourself to recognize synonyms. For example, important in the recording might appear as essential in the question. 5. Recognize speaker roles. Pay attention to the roles of each speaker. For example, a professor might introduce concepts, while students will respond with opinions or ask questions. Understanding who's speaking and their purpose will help you follow the conversation more easily. 6. Spot signposting language. Speakers often use signposting language like, "Let's discuss the second point," or, "To clarify this," to transition between ideas. These are your clues to follow the structure of the discussion. Let's take a look at example recordings, questions, and answers. Example 1. Social context, Section 1.
Hello, I'd like to book a table for 2, please.
Certainly. Could you let me know the date and time?
This Saturday at 7 p.m., please.
Great. Would you prefer indoor or outdoor seating?
Outdoor, if possible.
Sure. Can I get your name and contact number to confirm the booking?
It's Jane Peterson, and my number is 555-789-1432.
Thank you, Jane. Your table for 2 is booked for Saturday at 7 p.m. We look forward to seeing you.
Questions and answers. What time is the table booking? Answer: 7 p.m. What seating preference did the customer choose? Answer: outdoor seating. What is the customer's name? Answer: Jane Peterson. What is the customer's contact number? Answer: 555-789-1432. Example 2. Monologue, Section 2.
Welcome to the City Art Gallery. Here's today's schedule for guided tours. The first tour starts at 10:30 a.m. and covers the modern art section. At 12 p.m., we'll explore the Renaissance art collection, followed by a tour of the sculpture garden at 2 p.m. Each tour lasts approximately 45 minutes, and we recommend arriving at least 15 minutes before your selected time. Enjoy your visit.
Questions and answers. What time does the first tour begin? Answer: 10:30 a.m. Which section is covered in the second tour? Answer: the Renaissance art collection. How long does each tour last? Answer: approximately 45 minutes. When does the sculpture garden tour start? Answer: 2 p.m. Example 3. Group discussion, Section 3.
So, are we all in agreement to work on renewable energy as our project topic?
Yes, but I think we should focus specifically on solar energy. It's easier to find resources for that.
I agree. Maybe we can analyze its benefits for urban areas and rural communities?
That's a good idea. Let's divide the tasks. I'll work on gathering data for urban areas.
I'll research rural areas then.
Perfect. I'll create the presentation slides. Let's meet again next week to finalize everything.
Questions and answers. What is the group's project topic? Answer: renewable energy, specifically solar energy. What will the group analyze? Answer: the benefits of solar energy for urban and rural areas. What is student 1's assigned task? Answer: gathering data for urban areas. What will student 3 do for the project? Answer: create the presentation slides. Example 4. Academic lecture, section 4.
Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into the topic of climate change and its impact on global agriculture. Rising temperatures are reducing crop yields, particularly in tropical regions. For instance, studies show that rice production has dropped by 15% over the past decade due to heat stress. On the other hand, certain crops, like wheat, are seeing improved growth in cooler regions due to extended growing seasons. Addressing these shifts will require innovative farming techniques and policies.
Questions and answers. What is the main topic of the lecture? Answer: climate change and its impact on global agriculture. By how much has rice production dropped in the past decade? Answer: by 15%. Which crop benefits from extended growing seasons? Answer: wheat. What solutions does the professor suggest for addressing agricultural challenges? Answer: innovative farming techniques and policies. Remember to practice consistently, simulate test conditions, and refine your ability to focus under pressure. Thank you for watching. Have questions or need personalized guidance? Drop your queries in the comments or join our IELTS program, led by American educators. Call us today at +94 71 051 3101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to ACA Global for more IELTS tips and strategies. Best of luck with your preparation.